How to fix WhatsApp two-step verification easily and fast. Hello guys, first thing you want to do is open the settings, go to the apps. Now go to the WhatsApp app, click on force stop and then click on permissions. Enable all the permissions and then go back. Click on data usage, scroll down, disable all those options and enable them again. Click on the storage, click on this clear cache, it's most important, and then click on clear data. After you click on them, now click on the power usage details. It will take you to this page. All what you want to do here is click on force stop and then go to the power consumption alert, disable it and then enable it again. After that, restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this tutorial.